Welcome to the Little Habit Taught, where you will learn the good habits that will make you superhumans.
When you see a friend who's dressed so neat, say you look lovely from your head to your feet. If someone draws a picture so fine, tell them, wow, that artwork is divine. When your buddy shares or plays so fair, say you're kind and always care. If someone tries and doesn't win, say I'm proud you didn't give in. When your sister helps or makes your bed, smile and say you're thoughtful instead. If someone's shy and looks so small, tell them you're brave to stand so tall. A friend who reads or writes so well deserves a great job, go on, tell. Kind words are magic, they make hearts glow, like sunshine beams or fresh fallen snow. So don't be shy, spread joy each day with cheerful compliments, like the way on the leaf. So don't be shy, spread joy each day with cheerful compliments, like the